Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury mobility with an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. A van that's more than just a van. It's a rolling luxury lounge, a tech marvel, and a powerful road warrior, all wrapped into one elegant German masterpiece. Let's begin with the front design, because the 2026 Sprinter isn't just built, it's sculpted. The face of this van now flaunts a completely redesigned LED headlamp setup, slimmer, sharper, and meaner. The grille, a bold, futuristic matrix design that breathes sophistication while ensuring maximum airflow. Chrome accents and a seamless integration of sensors give it that unmistakable Mercedes identity, with a twist of modern aggression. And check out those air ducts, functional and aesthetic. The hood flows into the windshield with a smooth aerodynamic profile, reducing drag and boosting highway efficiency. Swinging around to the back, the rear design is all about clean lines and premium finishes. The taillights are sleeker than ever, now fully LED and beautifully contoured into the van's rear structure. You'll notice a subtle body sculpting and integrated reflectors that not only enhance nighttime visibility, but also elevate the aesthetic presence. The electric sliding doors glide open like butter, revealing a tech-savvy interior bathed in ambient lighting. A design that says, yes, this is a van, but it lives on the level of private jets. Step inside and step into luxury. The cabin of the 2026 Sprinter is arguably one of the finest interiors ever placed inside a utility van. Think premium leather-captained chairs, each with full recline, heating, cooling, and even built-in massage functions. The ambient LED lighting wraps around finely finished wood trims, high-gloss panels, and suede accents. A large OLED infotainment display controls everything from navigation to climate zones, and yes, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Sprinter is rumoured to be available in two core variants, a turbocharged inline-4 diesel and a fully electric e-Sprinter model. The diesel will continue to dominate in long-haul practicality with improved fuel efficiency and enhanced torque. Meanwhile, the electric variant boasts over 300 miles of range and near-silent operation. Power delivery is smooth, thanks to Mercedes' refined 9G Tronic transmission in the combustion model, while the EV will likely feature dual motors and optional all-wheel drive, making it more capable than ever on varied terrain. So, what's the price of driving the future? Industry insiders predict the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter will start at around $52,000 for the base configuration, while the high-end luxury and electric variants could exceed $90,000, especially with bespoke customization. As for when we'll see it on the road, nor Mercedes has yet to announce an official date, but strong rumors indicate the 2026 Sprinter will debut in late 2025, with deliveries expected to begin by second quarter of 2026.